If you know me, you know I take leadership and customer service as holy grail, so to speak, non-negotiable, extremely important, and highly influential over the overall success or failure of you individually and your business, right? Everything stems from the top, and the culture of customer service is extremely important. It's what distinguishes companies. It's what makes companies become these massive success stories and those we talk about with our friends and families. I had the most recent example occurred to me today. Over the last few days, I've ordered something from Amazon. Several things came in. One that didn't was a larger monitor for which I had to sign. UPS tried to deliver it this past Thursday, Friday, and Monday. All three deliveries were made between noon and 2 p.m., I believe, right in the middle of the business day when I guess I'm not home to sign for it, right? Unlike FedEx or some of the other ones, which would give you an opportunity to pick it up at night from one of their locations or at least communicate that to you or so on, I was never given that opportunity. This morning I logged in to see where my order was, and to my surprise it said it was on its way back to Amazon. So I called. We even had a few exchanges on Twitter. I sent an email to UPS asking where they were, what's going on. I was never informed that this was going to take place. Your delivery window makes no common sense or logic at all. All of these things, they've all agreed with me that the process is broken, that it doesn't work, yet there was nothing they could do to help me. Okay? I called Amazon, and they pointed fingers at Amazon. That's Amazon's fault. They just told us to deliver whenever, and it is what it is, right? I called Amazon. First of all, UPS had me on hold forever, but I'm a persistent man who doesn't give up. But Amazon got me through to a human being within 90 seconds, maybe 2 minutes. And the first person, I didn't have to go escalate. I did not have to go to a manager or the manager's manager or regional director or so on. None of that. The first person that answered was empowered to treat me respectfully, treat me like a client, and she already put an order in for a replacement monitor, which should be arriving to my house after 5:30 tomorrow at no additional charge. Amazing. Amazon, your customer service, my most recent example, amazing, right? UPS, you have some work to do. You really have some work to do. And all executives at UPS should really be worried if this is your new norm, if this is your standard, because you will be going out of business soon. Amazon, thank you very much. Looking forward to unwrapping, unboxing that monitor tomorrow. Have a wonderful day.